Alright everybody, we are back, and I have updated everything, so I've went and all scanned the planets and all that great stuff. Now we're going to head on to our next mission, which I am choosing the Citadel. We're going to head over to the Citadel. The reason I've chosen to do the Citadel next is because we just finished the assignment with seeing an old friend, Ashley, and she said she was going to the Citadel, so I wonder what will happen if we go to the Citadel. We shall find out now. I can't wait to see what we got here, guys. Let's do it. Alright, who am I going to take to the Citadel with me? Well, this is a tough choice. I think what I want to do is I want to take Garrus because he would obviously know people here in the Citadel. And I want to take Miranda because there might be a little bit of a, I don't know. I haven't done this, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, I got some more squad points. I'm a level 9 now, so as you can see, I have a little bit of Renegade points and mostly Paragon points. So let's continue here. Let's see, I got Shockwave 2. Can't get anything there. Let's go with this. I'm gonna go with Assault Mastery. There we go. Alright, Garrus has 7 points, so we can get him fully upgraded on his Concussive Shot. Massive Blast, Bone Crushing Force, High Energy Explosive Charge, enough to knock down enemies. I'm going to go with a Bone Crushing Force. He's got 3 points here, so I can upload 2 of these things. So Turian Rebel gives him more health. And Overload, of course, is Overload. I need my guys to have more health. And Miranda, we haven't played with her in a while. And we can upload Warp all the way now. Sweet. Heavy Warp. Hugely damaged. 200 points. Wow. I'm going to go with Unstable Warp. Alright. Now let's make sure she's got some the right weapons here. Alright. I'm gonna go back to my Black Storm Singularity Projector. And we are good to go. Oh, it looks like I forgot that I have a helmet on. That's alright. Let's look at the map here and find out what everything we got. Obviously this is a different part of the Citadel, so everything's going to be different.
I'm sorry. Can I help you, sir?
It's been a couple of years since I passed through here. Security seems to have tightened a bit.
After the Geth attack, there was a review of security protocol. A few minor changes were made to reduce the risk of Geth infiltration. We apologize for the inconvenience.
You'd think a Geth would stand out.
Assumptions are dangerous. Be alert, be safe.
Thanks for your time.
Next.
I thought it might be nice to come back here and see how it's changed. But it's just like it was. Same dirty streets, same unrepentant scavengers, same revolving door prisons. Being security here.
This recruits is a 20-kilo ferrous slug. Feel the weight! Every 5 seconds, the main gun of an Everest-class dreadnought accelerates 1 to 1.3% of light speed. It impacts with the force of a 38-kiloton bomb. That is 3 times the yield of the city buster dropped on Hiroshima back on Earth. That means Sir Isaac Newton is the deadliest son of a bitch in space. Now, Serviceman Burnside, what is Newton's first law?
Alright, I think that's enough of him. But that's pretty funny shit.
Obviously, security has tightened since you were last here.
Shut it down.
What? Do you seriously think? Yeah, okay.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Our scanners are picking up false readings. They seem to think you're dead.
I was listed as missing in action a couple of years ago.
Would you mind checking in with my captain? He can reinstate you in our system. He's just past the scanners on your right.
Thank you, fine sir.
You'll have to make him scream a little. He's not gonna tell you everything just because you ask.
I know, sir.
Yes, I see the problem already, Commander Shepard. My consul says you're dead.
But you're not worried I'm some imposter claiming to be me?
We have the best screening equipment in the galaxy. Those scanners can sample DNA from skin flakes. Hell, if you have unregistered gene mods, they can even figure those out.
Your sergeant said you could help with that.
Usually you'd have to go through the station security administration to reactivate your IDs. Then to customs and immigration to regain access to the Citadel itself, and probably a stop by the Treasury. Spending a year dead is a popular tax dodge. But I can see you're a busy man. So how about I just press this button right here, and we call it done?
Couldn't one of us, or both of us, get into trouble for that?
There's no way to fool the DNA scanners in that tunnel. You're you. Why wait in long lines and fill out a massive useless hard copy paperwork to get to the same place? The Council does everything by the book. They've had thousands of years to write it. Sometimes things need to get done without a committee vote.
You're not big on formalities, are you?
I'm with them right up until they keep people from doing their jobs. There. I just saved you about 9 days of running around. That said, you should head up to the Presidium and tell them you're still alive. The Council probably wants to talk to the one who saved their scaly asses.
What's the easiest way to get to the Presidium from down here?
Head back through the security checkpoint and take a public shuttle.
I will. Having access to the Council and the Spectre's resources would be useful.
Yeah. The Council can get anything. Best thing about working C-Sec is that any equipment, information, or money you need, you get. Anyway, something else you need? Or can I get back to work?
It looks like most of the damage from Sovereign's attack has been repaired.
The Presidium was pretty shot up, of course. They fixed that first. All the wards got hit with debris when the ship exploded. Most of the damage was superficial, and the Keepers got things restored fast. Tasery Ward got the worst. A big chunk hit near the Dillanaga concert hall. They're still clearing wreckage and trying to get power restored.
I need to talk to the Council. How can I get to the Presidium from here?
Head through the security checkpoint and take a public shuttle.
Tell me about this place.
All the wards are more or less multicultural, but the other 4 are dominated by Asari, Turians, or Solarians. In Zakira, we've got major enclaves of Volus, Elcor, and Hanar. There's also a human commercial zone at Shinakiba. We've got a few Krogan walking around, and I think I saw a Quarian the other day.
I overheard your conversation. Make him scream a little?
This isn't a Presidium. All they have to worry about are protesters outside their free speech zones or someone's poodle crapping on the grass. Down here, we have drugs, organized crime, and murder. Policing a ward is like policing New York City. Sometimes you have to work outside the Council's rulebook.
C-Sec has changed.
Last time I was here, there were no human captains in C-Sec.
The C-Sec took a lot of casualties when the Geth boarded the Presidium. The Special Response Division was hard hit. They stopped turning their noses up at human resumes. They needed bodies in uniform, and we had the most experienced bodies.
I should be going.
You need anything else, let me know.
Alright, so Let's see what we can figure out here first.
Welcome back, Shepard. It has been 2 years, 3 months, and 17 days since the Citadel last welcomed you. This is the Zakera Ward Transportation Hub. Public shuttles and shopping are available through the C-Sec security cordon.